恭喜发财，红包一个来. Welcome to another episode of SG Doctor Wellness, and from all of us, wishing you a happy Lunar New Year. In line with the upcoming CNY, we will be talking about your favorite CNY snacks and how calorie dense they actually are. Don't worry, we are not here to advise you to turn away from these delectable snacks, as that will surely dampen the Lunar New Year spirit, but rather to give you an insight into the calorie profile so as to let you have better planning on what to moderate during your house visits. Before we continue, make our channel even more prosperous by smashing that subscribe and notification button now. I will not only cover the calories of these popular CNY snacks. For the sake of reference, I will also mention the flights of stairs you would require to climb just to burn these calories off. Number 1 on the list will be pineapple tarts. Oh, these sweet morsels of goodness where one is never enough. These buttery crusted pineapple fillings total up to about 140 calories per 4 pieces, which takes about 15 flights or about 180 steps of stairs to vaporize them. Next will be the Kueh Bahulu. These crumbly yet soft mini cakes can be quite addictive as well. 3 of these make up 100 calories and requires 11 flights or 132 steps of stairs to burn off. The quintessential of CNY snacks is next, and that is the Bak Kwa. These sweet and savoury delights, unfortunately, can be quite calorie dense. One standard piece has about 370 calories. That takes about 41 flights of stairs or 492 steps to flush the calories out. Just for the purpose of comparison, one bowl of white rice has only about 260 calories. The other surprising high-calorie snack is peanut puffs or kok chai. These unassuming mini puffs filled with peanut paste can contain up to 420 calories for 4 pieces. When it comes to burning that amount of calories off, it will take 46 flights or about 552 steps of stairs. The lowest calorie snack in the list will be Kueh Bangkit. Not really unexpected, as these melt-in-your-mouth cookies are pretty light and airy. 4 pieces of these are only about 90 calories, but do be careful, as I have seen a number of people feasting on half a container in one sitting. 90 calories takes about 10 flights of stairs or 120 steps to burn off. Love letters are up next. I know that it is always an achievement to pull out one entirely intact roll from the container, as these wafers are so fragile. 4 rolls here contribute 210 calories, and it takes a good 23 flights of stairs or 276 steps to burn off. Kueh Lapis is a sure CNY favorite, and boy, these 1,000-layered spongy cakes are sure calorie dense. One thin slice actually contains 157 calories, and devouring one chunk at a go would probably be more sinful than a piece of Bak Kwa. To expand the calories of just one small piece will require 17 flights or 204 steps of stairs. Last but not the least will be the deep-fried Nian fritters. These gooey delights that are layered with an outer deep-fried crispy skin will set you back by about 220 calories per piece. 24 flights or 288 steps of stairs to clear the calories out from the system. Well, Chinese New Year is a joyous occasion where our gatherings and long conversations are centered around these incredibly delicious snacks. The most important thing to note here is moderation. Set out a calorie target for the day and try your best to stick to it. If you might be consuming too much snacks, then go easy on the sweet drinks and mains. Remember to continue to keep active throughout this period and top up your usual training regimes with 1 or 2 more sets, or even an additional 5 minutes run just to burn off those extra calories. Alright, we have come to the end of the episode, and thank you for staying on with us. Happy Lunar New Year, stay safe and stay healthy.